Here we are at Carmine's Country Corner. One more week, one more show, one more fun time. Coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota. And we got Dan Hugard on bass because Paul has a gig or something he's doing with the family or something. Dan, thank you for showing up. He said you're welcome, in case you didn't hear him. Okay. Gary, what-
I have nothing to say.
I don't know.
In response.
He's got a mic, and I'm talking to him, and he answers me, and he's over here.
Yeah. Okay, Dan.
But the
son.
stuff I was saying over there was like,
Dan, you got
really
another
good.
chance to make a first impression.
I love Dan.
What are you
I
gonna
love all
say?
these guys. Palmer.
I think it's a little late for a first impression.
Yeah, right. How you doing?
Good.
Good. And Swan,
Yes, sir.
it's on you tonight, baby.
Yeah, baby, I love it.
Okay, let's rock and roll. Hey, welcome to Carmine's Country Corner. In a little bit, we're going to get Dr. Teresa up because I understand her family's in town and they're supposed to be watching the show. So, to her family, happy Thanksgiving, Merry Christmas, and thanks for watching. And Teresa will get you up here in a little bit, and we'll do a Christmas song. I decorated, you guys. I don't know whether you noticed or not, but we got a few things that. For Christmas. And of course, Thanksgiving's this week. So my wife and I bought a turkey. I think it was a 15-pounder. And I get to Knott's Berry Farm and they give me a voucher for a turkey yesterday. So, because every year they give us free turkeys, but I forgot about that. And we just bought the turkey on I don't know when it was, Tuesday or something of this week. Anyway, whatever. So I thought, I got to carry this thing home. It's freezing cold. I gotta lift it, and I got one already at home. And what am I gonna do with the turkey? And I thought about my sister Leah. She's got a bunch of great grandkids and a good-sized family. And I called her real quick. I said, Leah, you didn't buy your turkey yet, did you? She said, no. I said, I'm gonna bring you one. She said, really? I said, yeah. So I went down and last night. After I was finished playing my music, walked down to the place there where they give the turkeys, and I got a free turkey, and I brought it to her this morning.
I was wondering, how do you fit that turkey in with all that beer in the refrigerator?
All day. Not my refrigerator, but anyway. We made room for it. Susan Cincinnati, she said, I actually got the turkey, I think, on Tuesday, because she left Tuesday morning, and she said, I got a little pan on the kitchen sink there, put the turkey in the pan, and then clear this side of the refrigerator out. She showed me the whole thing before she left. She gave me a roadmap on how to put a turkey in a refrigerator, which is helpful, because I didn't know what she told me.
well, they move around.
Yeah, sometimes they do. So anyway, that's the turkey story. Do another one, Gary.
Just give me a straightforward.
What key?
D. A long time forgotten, dreams that just fell by the way. Good life he promised ain't what she's living today. But she never complained at all the good things they've done. Just talked about all the good times they've had, all the good times to come. She's a good-hearted woman, love with a good time and man. Who loves him in spite of his wicked ways, she don't understand. Their teardrops and laughter walk through this land hand in hand. John on the drums.
We're having fun already up here at Bob Smith Toyota. Did somebody just walk in? Who? I can't hear you. Well, two people walked in. I can't see with the bright lights, but thanks for coming, whoever you are. I can't hear you. Oh, Marilyn. And Michael, well, thanks for coming. Yeah, these lights are really bright. I can't see anything out there. Okay, Dan, you want to do one? We got Dan Hugot's going to do a song.
Uh-oh. I didn't know Dan did songs.
He does a lot of good stuff.
All right.
Do him in.
Remember, we're here at Bob Smith Toyota.
Dr. Teresa will get you up after this, and
Okay, key of A, hillbilly rock. The verse is all on one.
I don't want to hear. You tell me all that stuff. Tell your friends that stuff.
There's four on the floor. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. It comes from Mississippi down in Alabama, creeping like a fever all across the land. From deep in the Delta on the Louisiana shore, the people gotta have it, they wanna hear some more. It's a hillbilly rock, beat it with the drum, playing the guitars or shooting from a gun, keeping up the rhythm, steady as a clock, doing a little thing called the hillbilly rock. Some say it came from Memphis down in Tennessee, or it introduced in Georgia by 1953. Just as long as it's crazy, as long as it's fast, as long as it's pumping, honey, it's gonna last. It's a hillbilly rock, beat it with the drum, playing the guitars like shooting from a gun, keeping up the rhythm, as steady as a clock, doing a little thing called the hillbilly rock. We're back in old Kentucky where the bluegrass grows, through the Carolinas on the dirt red roads, burning like a fire running wild in the woods. From Arkansas to Texas, it sounds so good. It's the hillbilly rock, beat it with the drum, playing the guitars or shooting from a gun, keeping up the rhythm, as steady as a clock, doing a little thing called the hillbilly rock. When the sun starts rising and you got a perfect feel, take a ride down the river and see just what I mean. Don't you just stop, and when that cat goes on, the whole place is shaking. Now there's something going on. It's a hillbilly rock, beating with the drum, playing the guitars like shooting from a gun, keeping up the rhythm, steady as a clock, doing a little thing called the hillbilly rock. Doing a little thing called a hillbilly rock. Yeah, we're doing a little thing called a hillbilly rock.
come on up, Dr. Teresa. Step high over that fence. Use my microphone, and ladies and gentlemen, this is our very good friend, Dr. Teresa, and she's got her family in town, and so here she is, live and in person.
Well, thank you, Carmine. And hello, family out there. It's wonderful to have family in town, you know. Okay, we're going to sing a song for you. Santa Claus is coming to town.
Everybody, please be quiet. I'm starting the song. Especially you, buddy. One, two, one.
You better watch out. You better not cry. Better watch out. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list and checking it twice. Gonna find out who's naughty, who's nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows if you've been bad or good, so be good for goodness sake. You better watch out, better not cry, better watch out, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows if you've been bad or good, so be good for goodness sake. You better watch out, better not cry, better watch out, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. So thank you, and happy Thanksgiving and Merry Christmas.
And I love that jacket. Yeah, you keep coming up with that stuff. You know?
I wore it just for you, baby.
You picked a fine time to do it because Sue's out of town. So quit picking on me. Thank you, Dr. Teresa. That's a very appropriate song. And you did a great job.
Thank you.
All right, Swan.
We'll do another Christmas song. Shall we?
No. Oh, God. We're here at Bob Smith Toyota. I got to say something during this little lull. Good job on that song, Teresa. Great. That was fun.
Christmas in Dixie. No, it'll be 2, 5, 6, 9, 8,
G,
7,
right?
6, so we'll do C.
See, it's even better.
1, 2. By now in New York City, there's snow on the ground, and out in California, the sunshine's falling down. Maybe down in Memphis, Graceland's all in line. And in Atlanta, Georgia, there's peace on earth tonight. Christmas in Dixie, snowing in the windy in Chicago. The kids are out of school. There's magic in Motown. The city's on the move. In Jackson, Mississippi, Southern Caroline, and every town between us have a peaceful Christmas time. Christmas in Dixie, snowing in the pines. Merry Christmas from Dixie, and to everyone, good night. Yes, it is. You don't remember the lyric. You gotta keep soloing.
Oh, yeah. Well, you know what Frank Sinatra did? Doobie-doobie-doo. Right out of-
That was my
Biggest
second
solo.
choice.
So,
Doobie doobie doobie. Now we're gonna feature Carmine on.
blue and broken-hearted me, holding to a memory. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, blue and broken-hearted me, and I never felt so down and out, never felt so all without. Since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, blue and broken-hearted me. Oh, blue and broken-hearted me. Holding to a memory. Since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, blue and broken-hearted me. And I can't explain the way I feel. Every tear I cry is real. Since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, it's blue and broken-hearted me. And I never felt so down and out, never felt so all without. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to do, blue and broken-hearted me. One more time. And I never felt so down and out, never felt so all without. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to do, blue and broken hearted me. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, blue and broken hearted. Thank you, folks. Dan, you want to do another one? You want Gary to do one? Okay, okay, that's okay with me. All right, Gary, what do you got?
A Vince Gill tune.
Love it.
One more last chance. Same thing. 1, 2, come on, 2, 3, and. She was standing at the front door. I came home last night. Good book in her left hand, rolling beer in her right. Says you come home for the last time. Whiskey on your breath. You're gonna listen to my preaching. I'm gonna get you half to death. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. No, I drive you crazy, baby. Best that I can do is a good old boy make a noise, running around on you. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. First she hit my glasses, she know that I can't see. Says you ain't going nowhere, boy. Spend a little time with me. Well, my friends call from my honky tonk. There's a party going on around here. She may hit my car key. She look out of my oh, John dear. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. I know I drive you crazy, baby. Best that I can do. Just a good old boy make a noise, running around on you. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. One more last chance before you say we're through. No, I drive you crazy, baby. Best that I can do is a good old boy make a noise, running around on you. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through.
Vince Gill, One More Last Chance. Good song. Saw him do it live in Vegas when he had JD playing steel with him. Boy, was that a hot band. And JD did such a great job. You know, he's such a pro. JD, we love you. We love your wife, Luanne. Hope she's doing good. Last time I saw her. He just played here a few months ago. 6 weeks ago or something. He was up.
3 weeks ago.
Was it only 3 weeks?
It's been 6 years.
No way. No, it was more than 3 weeks. It had to be. Had to be.
No, it was about 3 weeks ago.
Okay.
We all went out to eat.
Okay. 3 weeks.
The guy from Australia was
Not
here.
3 months.
I didn't get to eat.
The guy from Australia was with him, yeah.
Yeah.
That's right. Yeah, the guy was just here 3 weeks ago. Okay.
Wait a minute, what's this about
You-
eating? I didn't get to eat.
You didn't go with us.
I wasn't invited.
Oh, I think you were. You probably
Yeah.
said no.
You were just invited really softly.
Yeah.
Like, damn.
Nobody wanted to tell you, but I think I did. I broke down. So what do you got? You gonna do one?
Broke down
Yeah,
and
broke down
invited
and
me.
You wanna do one?
Yeah, I want to do
Okay.
that. I want to do that. Memphis, you can count it off. We'll come in together.
1, 2, 3, go.
Long distance information, give me Memphis, Tennessee. Help me find a party that tried to get in touch with me. She could not leave a number, but I know who placed the call. 'Cause my uncle took the message and he wrote it on the wall. Well, help me information, get in touch with my Marie. She's the only one who'd call me here from Memphis, Tennessee. Her home is on the south side, high up on a ridge, just a half a mile from the Mississippi Bridge. Last time I saw Marie, she was waving me goodbye, with her home drops on her cheek that trickled from her eye. But we were pulled apart because her mom did not agree. That tore apart our happy home in Memphis, Tennessee. Help me information, more than that I cannot add. Only that I miss her and all the fun we had. Marie is only 6 years old. Information, please. Try to put me through to her in Memphis, Tennessee.
Memphis, Tennessee. I've been to Memphis a few times. You ever been there, Dan?
No,
You never been to Memphis?
no,
Wow.
I've never been there.
Kathy, your kids were born there?
I
In
wa-
Memphis,
I was-
Tennessee?
I was nowhere
Wow.
near.
Yeah, I went there a few times at Graceland, and we were doing some things there for a while.
Didn't your boy do this, John? Memphis?
Wait, they're talking.
Johnny Rivers, yeah.
Oh, you ever play this song with Johnny?
It was the first song I played with.
Al Palmer played with Johnny Rivers, who had the hit on that song.
He's-
Now, I think Chuck Berry wrote the song, right?
Yeah.
And then he had his own version of it, but Johnny Rivers, I think, had the big hit, right?
Chuck's version is really different. It's not.
Yeah, I think
It's
Johnny
really
changed, straightened it out a little bit.
Changed it.
But Chuck's was great too. I
We're
love
not-
Chuck Berry.
We're not ruling Johnny out. He may come back for another tour. Let's hope.
I hope he does. I'll go see him. Johnny Rivers.
You'll see Johnny back there.
John's very eager for that.
I walked into a club with Eric Garcia was playing one night, and there was a guy sitting next to the band in at the edge of like a booth, a restaurant booth, and the stage was there, and it was a seat right there. He was sitting there with a guitar and had it plugged in. He was just off to the side. The guy was playing okay, and I didn't know who he was, and I asked somebody in the crowd, a friend of mine or someone, I said, who's that guy? He plays pretty good. He said, that's Johnny Rivers. So, wow, he's just come in just to play some blues stuff with Eric and the boys. I thought that was really cool. And I said hello to him, and he was a nice guy, don't really know him, but it was fun watching him play that night. He was just jamming with the boys, Anyway, Gary, do another one. I don't know what chord that is, but I ain't gonna play that one.
How about this chord?
No, I don't do that jazz stuff.
This chord. I'll play some chord you ain't never heard of.
That's right, and I hope I never do.
There's a closet full of dresses that I bought you. And here's the keys to the new car in the drive. And before you leave our room, put on your best perfume. If you're gonna do me wrong, well, do it right. And the next time when the phone rings, I won't answer it. I don't wanna be the fool I was tonight. I don't wanna know the truth. I don't wanna see the proof. If you're gonna do me wrong, well, do it right. If you're gonna break my heart all to pieces, then walk right out that door, and we'll end it all tonight. Take off your wedding band when it takes you by the hand. If you're gonna do me wrong, do it right.
Vern Gosdin, man, what a great voice. I used to call him the Voice. He was a
The
good
Voice.
singer, wasn't he? Boy,
Great
he's-
singer.
Going on that highway, listen to the big trucks whine. Going out on the highway, listen to the big trucks whine. White freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. That's all the song. There's bad news from Houston. Half my friends have died. Bad news from Houston. Half my friends have died. That white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. That old dog bite, and people they will treat you fine. That old dog will bite, and people they will treat you fine. And that white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. One more time, Gary. I'm going out on the highway, listen to the big trucks whine. Going out on that highway and listen to the big trucks whine. White freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. You got one. Thank you very much.
John Bottom on drums. was
Boy, he
up.
killed that solo, didn't he? Man.
Imagine if he had like 3 drums.
No. He's doing fine with what he's got. Don't fix it if it's not broken. We're up here at Bob Smith Toyota. We got Kim at the controls tonight. We got about, is that say 57? Oh, 50. We got 10 minutes to go. And we might go a few minutes over if I'm in the middle of a song. You know, we can always do it. And Paul Marshall is on another gig this week, doing something with the family. I didn't get exactly what, but he's not here, and we do miss him. But however, Dan, you're doing a fine job. Okay. I think he said something. I don't know.
Now, wait a minute. Did he say something?
I don't know.
Cut his mic on.
I did. It's on.
Mike's on.
It's see.
He said something.
He says.
He said something.
Paul is getting paid to be with the family.
Right. Yeah. I'm sure he's making more than we are. Certainly more than I am. Anyway, we're having fun. We decorated the place up for Christmas, so we're kind of feeling the spirit. It was nice of Dr. Teresa and her lovely family came into town, and they wanted to see the show, and she called and said, Carmine, can I do one song? I mean, we'd get her up anyway from time to time, but she said, my family's in town, and without hesitation, I said, absolutely, didn't I? Show business, I love it. Anyway, but, all right, Swan, do another one.
Well, remember what old Bob Smith Toyota
What
said?
did Bob Smith say?
He said, I'd give 'em away, but my wife won't let me.
Ah. Anyway, what do we got?
He's the only drummer I know that sounds like a field full of cows. All right, here's a tune. I don't know who wrote it. I don't know who sung it. But who cares? It's called Just Call Me Lonesome.
Okay, number 5, walk down to
Yeah, the A.
4. You got it. What key you in?
That's it. That's one, a two, a 1, 2. Just call me lonesome, heartbroken and slow. I ain't got no one since you been gone. You call me baby, I've got a new name. Don't need my old one, call me lonesome from now on. You used to call me your one and only. Now you only call me someone you won't sleep. You said forever we'd be together. Came between us now, forever lies and pieces. Just call me lonesome, heartbroken and some. I ain't got no one since you been gone. You call me baby, I've got a new name. Don't need my old one, call me lonesome from now on. I see you with him and fall apart again, remembering when I was the only one you needed. You said forever we'd be together. Came between us now, forever lies in pieces. Just call me lonesome, heartbroken and some. I ain't got no one since you been gone. You call me baby, I've got a new name. Don't need my old one, call me lonesome from now on.
Dan?
I was getting ready to call up for room service on
Great
that.
fun.
We'll watch the rerun.
We'll watch the rerun.
You know, there's something fun about doing this show because we do it live, right? So, you know, what you get is what you get. You know, we do it, and if there's something else happens, maybe we add something to the song that shouldn't be there, or maybe we leave out a piece that should. You know, it's kind of like that. But then you get to go home and watch the rerun. And that's when you're on the couch saying, what in the hell did I do there? But, you know, we're just up here painting pictures, and sometimes it's good. But that turned out really good. I like that way we did that.
Well, you know,
That
life
was
is-
happening, wasn't it? That was a good, yeah, I think we got it right that time.
Life is about using all the crayons in the box.
That's right. Yep. My little 4.5-year-old great-granddaughter, Nicole. Now, when I was a kid, you know, I don't know if I don't know if you guys remember this, but there were like 6 crayons in a little tiny box. Remember those? That's all we got.
I have
Ooh, coloring. And she's got one that's about 8 rows deep and like 12 across. It's like this big. She can't even lift it.
I have some crayons in the car for you.
Thanks,
No,
I need
I
some.
really do.
Good, I'll take them.
I went to a restaurant in Mesquite and I asked the host for crayons.
Did you?
Gave them to me.
Oh, free?
Yeah.
Jeez.
He brought over a piece of paper to crayon on.
So I asked Nicole, I said, you know, when I was a kid, I only had this many. I showed her. She said, what are you going to do with that? I said, well, we did what we could. You know, she said, well, you can't do much. So, you know, she's starting to stay in lines finally. She colors pretty good. Anyway,
Okay, take us home, Carmine.
you want me to do it?
Yeah, what do you got?
Take us home. Do one of them truck songs.
This old smoke-filled
Okay, what key?
Yeah.
This old smoke-filled bar is something I'm not used to. I just left my home to keep you satisfied. Stop by, see me anytime you want to. You can always find me here till closing time. I got swinging doors, a jukebox, and a bar stool. My new home has a flashing neon sign. Stop by and see me anytime you want to. And you can always find me here till closing time. I got everything it'll take to drive me crazy. I got everything I need to lose my mind. And the atmosphere in here's just right for heartache. And thanks to you, I'm always here till closing time. I got swinging doors, a jukebox, and a bar stool. My new home has a flashing neon sign. Stop by and see me anytime you want to. You can always find me here till closing time. swinging doors, a jukebox, and a bar stool. My new home has a flashing neon sign. Stop by and see me anytime you want to. 'Cause you can always find me here to close in time. See you next week, folks. Thanks for watching.